Ever stared at that dreaded payment failed notification on Cash App? Don't worry, we've all been there, and fixing it is usually simpler than you think. First things first, let's tackle the most common culprit: insufficient funds. Double-check your linked bank account or debit card balance. If it's lower than the payment amount, that's likely your issue. Top up your account or try sending a smaller amount. Next, let's address incorrect card details. Mistyping your card number, expiry date, or CVV is an easy mistake to make. Tap on your profile icon in Cash App, then linked banks, and ensure all your card information is accurate. Even a single digit out of place can cause a failure. Sometimes your bank might flag a transaction for security reasons, especially if it's unusual or large. Try reaching out to your bank's customer support to inform them about the Cash App payment you're trying to make. They might need to authorize it. Cash App also has its own security measures. If you've made many attempts in a short period, or if the recipient's account seems suspicious, your payment might be blocked. To protect you, waiting a little while and trying again can sometimes resolve this. Also, ensure your Cash App is updated to the latest version. Outdated apps can sometimes cause connectivity issues. Head to your app store and check for any available updates. Finally, if none of these steps work and you're still seeing payment failed, it might be time to contact Cash App support directly. They can investigate specific account issues and offer more personalized solutions. With these troubleshooting steps, you should be well on your way to sending and receiving money on Cash App without a hitch.